Hi everybody, I'm Adele from Splosh and I'm thrilled to show you our newest range in gifting, the Kids DIY. These are inspired by a previous best-selling DIY range that has been redesigned for the perfect at-home entertainment for kids that's easy to follow. A wide variety of DIY projects suitable for ages 3+, featuring best-selling animal trends for boys and girls. The activities include sewing, colouring and scratch art to encourage children to learn basic crafting techniques whilst having fun. My personal favourite that I know my little boy would love is the animal themed scratch map featuring animals from all around the world. They can be purchased individually in quantities of 2 or as a starter pack. The pack includes 31 items altogether. To order, simply jump online or contact your area sales manager. The range is available now, so keep kids busy and entertained with our DIY range.